Hey guys, Aiden Lobo. So this is the contract. Hey guys, Aiden Lobo, and as you can see, this is Masterpiece. Yeah. So. So yeah. This is something I got when I was like 7 years old, I think. This is really humongous, I guess. This tires are good. So yesterday, Sobcat got Hot Wheels and we're trying it. It went really fast. Yeah.
Alright, so I have an idea. Alright, so for this baby, if you want to make her, I don't know, just for cool looks, because that's the only reason Hot Wheels get fast. For cool looks, they look cool. Right down here, I have some extra pieces that with exhaust in the back right here. So then they have like turbocharged. So I have 2 of these for each side if you want them to get put on there. Nope, good. All right.
Once those are old.
No, they're not old.
No, once that thing comes old. I just got it yesterday, man.
I can get you some other cars and see what you want.
You know why it's falling off? Because this end is pushing it off because it's not fully on. It gives you guys some ideas. So as I'm saying is, right here you see this black stuff? See this black stuff right here? This, it pushes the car forward, uses strength. It goes super fast. See, put my hand right here, like this. As you can see, no fingerprint marks. Which would be a little cool, but this is just rubber. And this thing goes really fast. Let me turn it on for you guys. You see how it goes over there? I do like this. Every other, I hold this one right here. Every other one will stop. And just one, not just one. Doesn't matter. Keep it right there. You see that little black spot, like right there. A little red dark. It will go away. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See how I did that? Now I'm gonna stop it. Go, stop, go, stop, go, stop, go. I'm gonna put the car I got yesterday. You can see right here, the technology. This got scooped off from the inside the box. The levers. And then this whip makes it go really fast. I like how if they actually made it, right on the bottom, you think it's fake, but metal right there makes it real. How the people say. So that is, the wheels are just like sick as heck. Actually, they're flat. Try them out. Oh crap! I stopped it. I'm so sorry, guys. I did it again. Oh god, you can't even take track. See how it upstairs. I see. That little part right there is just blocking it going, so it makes it fall off. See? You see how I'm talking about? Right there, that end is in its way like that. So push it over here, and let's talk about this one. Okay. But push this end and squeeze this together. It's actually a really hard thing. Let's try it again. Ready? We're gonna put my fantasy car and put it to the end. If it falls off, then means the track's going wrong. No. Ah, crap. This car right here. Come on, baby. Didn't actually go so well. Let's check right here. Oh crap, I went back in. Stop ruining my life, you. But, man. That's the worst word I can come up with. Also, you too? Come on, man. I bet Pennsylvania does better than this. Okay, no offensive. I think it's offensive. I'm sorry. So let's turn it back on. Just testing it. It keeps on falling off from the other part. This is the end. It's not just pushing it off. Yeah, now it's doing great. Ah, perfect stop. As you can see, the reason why it's like squishy, so this doesn't like get too squished. So see, it goes like all the way down to here. And just saying, cars actually go that fast, and actually turn like as fast, like whoa. So that's actually a pretty good time. So guys, I'm ending my video. This is Aiden Lobo signing out. See ya.